If Gcash displays the error that says your internet connection seems unstable message, even when your mobile data is on, try following the solutions. First, toggle the airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on and wait for 5 seconds and turn it off. Then reset mobile data. Turn off your mobile data and then on again, and ensure that you have a stable 3G, 4G, or 5G signal. Now clear the Gcash app. For that, simply search for Gcash application, tap and hold onto it, and then tap on the eye icon in the top to go to app info. Scroll down, tap on storage, click on clear cache. You can also try clearing the data, but this will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases, so you need to be very careful regarding that. Now first stop this application and re-enable it again. Ensure that Gcache has all necessary permissions, especially the mobile data, storage, and location. And disable VPN if enabled. Gcache often blocks VPN connections. You can also switch APN. For that, you need to go to Settings, then go to Connections, then go to Mobile Network. From this page, tap on Access Point Names and try the default APN or reset to default. Then restart your phone. And last but not least, if nothing works, reinstall Gcache application. A fresh installation can resolve some issues. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.